Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Friday, October 5th, 2018. We made it to the end of the week. We're going to talk today about what the weekend has in store. By the way, if you like clouds, well, this is going to definitely be a cloudy weekend, but it will be cool and will feel fall-like, that is for sure. Also, we'll talk about what to expect for the Yankees versus the Red Sox. They're up in Boston for tonight and for tomorrow night, and then they're in the Bronx on Monday. I won't go beyond that point because I don't want to jinx anybody. I know I'm a Mets fan, but I don't want to jinx the Yankees. I have nothing against them, except I really don't need to be told how many rings you have. I get it, okay? You guys win a lot. I get it. But I am not going to hate on the Yankees. I'm not going to do that because I'm going to be a bigger fan and just wish you the best of luck. Now, with that, temperatures throughout the region are falling off. Earlier this morning, we're actually closer to 70 around the New York City metro. We've been falling off ever since. Philadelphia metro as well, as you see that cool air bleeding south with a northerly wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour, gusting over 20 miles per hour at times. Temperatures this morning right now are falling into the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s around the New York City metro, and lower to mid 60s in the Philadelphia metro. And that cool air will continue to build in with high temperatures ranging anywhere from the mid to upper 60s along the immediate coast and upper 60s to lower 70s away from the coast. Overall, a pleasant day with low humidity and scattered cloud cover. Now, what's happening here on the satellite picture, as you can see, the sun is starting to rise here. See these clouds right here? Okay. What's happening is that our high pressure system is passing to the north, and eventually these clouds from a marine air mass will be building into the region. And that unfortunately means that our scattered cloud cover will transition to broken to overcast cloud cover with a threat for some drizzle and some isolated showers for the region for this upcoming weekend, especially for tomorrow morning. So when we take a look at our latest surface map, again, our cold front is pushing south. High pressure is taking hold. For the most part, dry conditions are expected for today. When we dive into our forecast, high pressure will be in control this afternoon with scattered cloud cover. Highs in the mid to upper 60s along the coast, upper 60s to lower 70s everywhere else. For tonight on through tomorrow morning, look for that high pressure system to start to shift towards the Gulf of Maine. That's going to lead to winds veering to the northeast and east around 5 to 15 miles per hour. It's going to transport a marine air mass in, leading to overcast cloud cover with some drizzle and some isolated showers. Look for lows in the mid to upper 50s. There, as you move further north towards the interior, lows will range from the upper 40s to lower 50s because you won't have that direct impact from the marine air mass. You have a little bit more breakage in the cloud cover, and so you're going to be a bit cooler. Highs tomorrow will range from the mid to upper 60s along the immediate coast and lower to mid 70s as you head towards the Delaware River Valley. So basically, the further away you are from the ocean, the warmer you will be. So that's pretty much going to be the theme for Saturday. Meanwhile, during this time period, almost forgot, high pressure will be in control for both of the Yankees versus Red Sox games for tonight and for tomorrow night. So weather impacts will not be an issue for either one of these games. High pressure will be in control. Scattered broken cloud cover can be expected. You're going to have an easterly wind start to take hold towards the middle of tonight's game and through tomorrow's game completely. But it shouldn't be strong enough to really have an impact on fly balls, in my opinion. So overall, it's going to be a pretty tranquil weather pattern. On Sunday, high pressure will shift off the coast, more of a southwesterly wind, more moisture in the atmosphere. Look for a threat for an isolated shower or two. Look for lows in the lower to mid 60s, highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. On Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, a warm air mass will be in place, and there will be a threat for an isolated shower in the afternoon, some locally dense fog in the morning, but for the most part, we're just looking at scattered cloud cover with high levels of humidity for this time of year. Sorry, it's still here. Look for lows in the mid to upper 60s and highs in the mid to upper 70s along the immediate coast, upper 70s to lower 80s everywhere else through the forecast period. And then we're going to watch this cold front and this little tropical mischief down here in the Gulf of Mexico. How these two interact will be very important for the forecast for Thursday night into Friday. If we get more moisture entrained into this cold front, it's going to move a little bit slower. Also, it's running into a rather tropical air mass out ahead of it for this time of year. So you have that with a lot of cool air back here, and that's going to lead to waves of rainfall. Now, temperatures on Friday will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows, and only mid 70s for highs. Actually, lower to mid 70s as you move further north, and even some mid to upper 60s as you head up towards basically Albany and the Poconos. So you're going to have a nice thermal gradient setting up over the region, waves of rainfall, and that's going to continue on through next weekend, which may lead to the potential for some localized flash flooding that we're going to have to keep an eye on. So a lot of uncertainty here in the forecast in terms of the timing of the cold front here for Friday, and also the potential for heavy rainfall to stream northward as well. That is your forecast discussion for today. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.